Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the header layout for your websites and web pages you create on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your website project in the Wix website editor and scroll up to navigate to your header. Now click into it with your left mouse, and after that you will see that menu to the right. Quick edits here. That pencil icon. You can do that also by right-clicking into your banner and select quick edits here or section layouts. Here in the quick edits section, navigate from content to layout, and here choose your banner layout. Wait for it to finish loading. You may, for example, choose a banner like this. So now we got, for example, the background image and the text here to the left instead of the default layout, current layout. But as you can see, they feature these in their Wix library. So go with the one you would like to use. And then you may navigate to content, change the background image, and also change the text here for your website title, the paragraph. That's it. Or change the background image here at the bottom. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.